Divide 875 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down the 7 and it is 37. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down this 5 and it is 25. So 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 0. So 875 divided by 5 is 175. So this much for today and thanks for watching.